All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford F-150. It is the XLT model. It's beautiful white with the gray cloth interior, premium sound system, stereo controls. Super nice. Only 11,000 miles in this vehicle. Alloy wheels, fog lights. Looks good, folks, and best of all, minimal damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your grill actually has a crack here. See, this is about 6 inches. This hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread here is at 11/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter bedside looks good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice NLC curbing here either. And your tire thread is at 7/32. Let me double check it. That's correct. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Oh, listening to the soccer game here. World Cup FIFA 2018. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. All right. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. All right. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 11,306. Good, keep it moving. Show you the back. Of course, this seat does have like an armrest here with cup holders, but this also folds up into another seat there for you guys. All right, rear passenger seat, and what that looks like. The holes, the tears, and rips looks good. Actually, has a little cut here, less than an inch, but it is there. All right, keep it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Little tailgate looks good. This is what your trunks or your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Your bed looks nice. All right, this quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. I don't see any curbing on that. And your tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. And your front fender looks nice. Your front passenger rim, and that looks nice. Tire thread is at 11/32. Fog lights all working. Car is running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ford F-150 XLT model with 11,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.